Hello, my fellow Madridians. So, how did any particular environmental or social justice movement shape the city today? For this one, I want to talk about the air quality and climate change uh, PowerPoint slide written by Matt. And it's not how it did change, but how it will change. I guess we're still waiting to see the effects of this program that was launched in 2017. And it actually has the goal that by 2030, it will decrease gas emissions by 40% compared to 1990 levels, which would be extremely impressive, especially considering one of the very few things I saw that Madrid could better themselves in terms of sustainability was their air quality. But I did notice that on this slide, at least, there's no talks about the large scale smoking that goes on in Spain or Madrid in particular. And I saw that was actually a leading contributor to the air quality there. Now, for the second question, are there any unique social or cultural norms that have played or may play a role in the city's response to events relevant to this module? Yeah, so in particular, gender equality comes to mind with this question. Um, I saw that in Kevin's slide. In 1978, the Spanish Constitution included the elimination of all discrimination. However, 5 years later, in 1983, the Institute of Women was created, which kind of leads me to think maybe there wasn't all discrimination banned or eliminated at that point. However, things like that certainly does take time and changes specifically in regards to things like that sometimes take generations of change. And seems like we've actually seen that because I think it was Sydney that mentioned in the first week that they kind of are the forefront. They are leading the charge in terms of gender equality, especially when it comes to salary, which kind of makes sense because, as Kevin also put in his slide, that tertiary education, over half of women complete that. Over half of women complete college, while only 34% of men complete college. There is a little side note that with STEM degrees, it's about 70% male and 30% women. But so that's a very impressive number. And I believe in America, women just passed men in terms of bachelor's degree. So there's actually slightly more women completing bachelor's degrees in America than men for the first time ever.